Good morning, this Wednesday, the 21st of July. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Thank you for joining us. It was a positive session across European and US markets, with all major indices closing with gains. As investors were buying the dip, the Dow Jones rebounded almost 550 points, recovering most of the losses the previous session, after what was its worst day in 8 months. The S&P 500 also rallied 1.5% higher, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq also closed with gains, up 1.6%. The AEST 200 was in negative territory yesterday as the Delta COVID-19 variant continues to cause concern and provoke caution for investors. As for what to watch today locally, the Aussie share market is set to open higher. Currently, the futures are suggesting a 0.7% rise to 7,210 points. Today, keep an eye on Oil Search OSH. The company's share price jumped after they rejected a takeover bid with Santos STO. While OSH's share price jumped 6.3% yesterday, Santos closed almost 5% lower. After the pressure from Apple and PayPal, Afterpay APT has seen a comeback, closing 1.6% higher yesterday. The company is looking to set up its own financial services license. APT announced their Money by Afterpay app rollout plan, which is the company's new money and lifestyle app. This app is looking to be launched to customers in October. Meanwhile, key competitor Zip Z1P rallied 5.4% yesterday. So keep an eye on Buy Now Pay Later share price movements today. In local COVID-19 news, South Australia has joined New South Wales and Victoria in lockdown. At 6 p.m. yesterday, they entered a week-long lockdown as the Delta variant spreads. The New South Wales Government has also announced a week-long lockdown for parts of the Central West after new cases in Orange. In economic news, retail sales data for June will be released today at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And tonight, it will be decided if Brisbane is successful in the bid to host the Olympic Games in 2032. If Brisbane wins, this would be very positive news for infrastructure, engineering, travel and tourism, and hospitality stocks. It will also be the third time Australia has hosted the Games after hosting in Sydney in 2000 and in Melbourne in 1956. The announcement is expected for 6:30 p.m. tonight, Australian Eastern Standard Time. Moving to commodities, the oil price is up 1.3% following yesterday's crash, trading at $67. Coal continues to trade higher. It is up 1.5% and trading at $150 a tonne. The gold price is trading 0.1% lower, and iron ore is held at $219, trading 0.1% lower. Now, Woodside Petroleum, WPL, was one of the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday. The stock was under pressure yesterday as the oil price also tumbled off the back of news that OPEC will be increasing global oil supply. OPEC's announcement resolved disagreements over oil supply levels between Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. Bloomberg reported an output increase of 400,000 barrels a day each month from August until all halted output is revived. As WPL is Australia's largest oil and gas producer, its share price fell yesterday and closed 1.9% lower. ANZ was in the green yesterday and was one of the most traded stocks after the bank announced a $1.5 billion buyback. Its shares closed with a 0.6% gain yesterday at $27.32. Now, moving on to some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter maintained their buy recommendation on Senex Energy, SXY, with a $3.75 price target. Senex provide leverage to Australia's gas market, where supply deficits are supporting high prices. SXY closed at $3.18 yesterday, implying 17.9% share price growth in a year. Bell Potter also maintained their buy recommendation on Elders ELD at a $13.75 price target. ELD are a leading supplier of fertilizer, agricultural chemicals, and animal health products in rural Australia. The company continued to deliver on its backward integration strategy with better than expected earnings. The stock closed with a 3.2% gain yesterday at $11.68, implying 17.7% share price growth in the year. And bullish charting signals have been identified in Dropsuite, DSE, Telix Pharmaceuticals, TLX, and Australian Ethical Investment, AEF, according to Trading Central. Thank you for listening to this morning's update. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day, stay safe, and happy trading.